Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is kind of an update on my newest release, Centauria Perfumes. If you've made an order, I've fulfilled every one that has been done. So if you bought it in the UK, it's gone and you'll have a tracking number. If you don't get tracking numbers, by the way, just check your junk folder or spam folder in your email. You'll always get a tracking number. Some people, it will go to your junk or spam folder in your email, so just check that if you want to. You can move my company into the inbox and then you'll get a tracking number. You'll also receive an email basically only ever once. I send one email when I do a launch of a new perfume, so you might have got an email letting you know that this is available, for example, but I'll only do it when a new launch comes and only once, so you won't get spammed, so don't worry. But if my company, so to speak, is in your junk folder, then you'll never see those kind of things. Also, if you bought overseas, FedEx, they're quite quick. You should get them very soon if you've not already got it. But the major update is to let you know about my Stockists. As of recording this video, Lucky Scent have my full bottles of this on their website for $125 US, which is bang on the retail price, £96 sterling. Usually they charge a little bit more. This time they've been very dead on with the pricing, which is brilliant. So if you want to save on shipping instead of buying it direct from me, go over to Lucky Scent and you can buy it the same retail price as I'm selling it for, which is really cool, really good. I'm happy about that. Also, they will have their own samples made. They didn't want official sample sets that I provide myself with the 2ml spray and the card. They just wanted decant bottles, so they'll make their own samples. However they do that, I think it's dab stick. So when this goes live, the samples will also be available on the website. So if you want to get a sample or a full bottle in America, please go check out Lucky Scent. They've got 15 bottles in stock and I think 90 milliliters of decanted juice for making samples, so plenty of samples. I don't think they'll run out of samples quickly. An update on my Spanish Stockist. The parcel is delayed, as it always is going to Spain. I don't know when it's going to be delivered at the moment. Hopefully within the next few days. It's always super slow going through the customs in Spain, but it is in Spain right now. It's just waiting to clear customs to get to Pedro. Hopefully, fingers crossed, by the end of this week. Hopefully, like I say, I'd apologise, but the Spanish customs are extremely slow and there's not much we can do about it. So when it gets through, just keep an eye out on Pedro's website in the next few days to the next week, and it'll be on there. So keep that in check if you're in the EU and you'd like to check out Elixir. I think personally, and this is just going off my own nose and from the little bit of feedback I have had from people that have purchased it or that I've sent samples to, that I think this may be one of the better selling ones in my line, let's say. I think more mass appealing, more approachable to most people. It's not crazy hardcore niche with weird notes. It's likable, it's wearable, it's enjoyable, it's long lasting, and I think it'll be really cool for a lot of people. I really like it. I think I'm happy with the job that I have done with this one. If you have a sample or a bottle and you've got an opinion on how this smells or how it works on your skin, I'd love to know what you think in the comments. Leave a review if you want to. It'll help other people that are deciding or on the fence whether even not they want to smell it. It will be helpful for other people, so please do leave a comment if you've genuinely smelled it and you would like to. If you feel like doing that, then I'd appreciate it and it helps other people. There's plenty of samples available, like I say, from my Stockist and from me. I'm not encouraging blind buying bottles. Get yourself a sample, see if you like it. If you like it, then the bottles will be here for you if you want them. And I just hope people will like this one. I always get a little bit nervous on launch on what the reactions will be. But I genuinely like it myself. I think it's cool. And hopefully you'll like it too. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to update you on the Stockists. It's available in America. It will be available very soon in Spain. And get yourself a sample if you want to. I'm excited about this one. I think it's cool. I think people will enjoy it. And yeah, if you've tried it and you want to leave a little review, a mini review, you can do it in the comments and let other people know how it comes across, and maybe you'll help someone else decide whether or not they want to get a sample or not. One thing to mention, which I kind of forgot, is a couple of things I'll just mention at the end of the video, is I decided to lower the cost of the international shipping to places like America and Canada a little bit on the economy. So basically I lose money on the shipping because it costs me more than what I'm charging you for shipping. And the only reason I'm doing it is to make it more affordable for you if you do decide to buy direct from me. So to make it easier, I think, or more affordable, should I say, for people overseas to purchase from my brand directly, I have reduced the cost for the economy service. So that's a little bit slower, but it's still pretty quick, usually within 1 week to 2 weeks sometimes. But it's still pretty quick. FedEx is fairly speedy even on the economy service. So I have reduced the cost for economy. For the priority, I'm just charging what they charge me. In fact, I'm charging less because they've literally raised their prices about 3 days ago. And it's gone up to like £36 for priority to America for certain states. And I'm charging 33. So I'm losing both on both. But I'm losing more on the economy just to try and help you. And also, if you buy samples from me, like just a sample pack, not a bottle, just a sample set or a sample. If you buy that direct from me, the shipping is £20 and it comes in a different... The reason I can do it for £20 is it's a different box. I found that I can use it's called a small box from FedEx. It's like a little envelope size, thin little box, and that's cheaper to send it. And so I can put a sample pack inside and it's £20. And what I typically do is if you buy sample from me that way internationally, I'll write you a code that has your name on it, and that will give you free shipping if you decide to come back and buy a full bottle. That way you kind of redeem the previous shipping cost on the samples, which made the samples so expensive. You kind of get it back indirectly in terms of free shipping on the next one. However, samples are, like I say, available from Lucky Scent. Unless you want something like Mirror Bay, then you have to get it directly from me. But just to let you know a little bit more intricate facts on the shipping. That's it. Hope you're doing well. Thank you to everyone who has supported thus far in buying a sample or a bottle. I hope you do enjoy it. I hope you're happy that it's in your collection. If you did buy a bottle, thank you very much. And yeah, I will see you soon with some more normal reviews and videos. Obviously, with the launch, I have been a little bit preoccupied and busy recently pairing bottles because of like having to supply Stockists and getting a bit more quantity out to Stockists, which made my own stock disappear. So then I had to restock my own stock and then getting orders out as well. So I have been a little bit distracted in terms of being away from doing video content since the launch, but it's calmed down now. It's more relaxed and calm, and I can handle things easier on a day-to-day basis now. So normal videos will resume soon, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't think of anything else to mention. So I'll see you soon with some more videos. Take care, everyone. Be blessed. Bye.
One time he disappeared for 2 or 3 days. When he came back, they asked him where he'd been, and he said, "Oh, just sailing."